Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on touch keyboard icon in taskbar. This guys a very easy and simple method. First, right click any empty area in taskbar and here you see taskbar settings. Option is available. Click on it. Then scroll down. Here you see turn system icon on or off. Click on it and here you see touch keyboard. Click on it. Here you see this way guys we can how to turn on touch keyboard icon in taskbar. Yes guys, very easy and simple method. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for latest update.